Hello, soccer fans. Welcome to an exciting quiz. We bring you a quiz that will test your memory while you're thinking and keep your brain young. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I'm sure you will be able to answer all the questions. Good luck. Which of these clubs did David Beckham never play for? Milan, PSG, Newcastle. Correct answer, Newcastle. Who won the Ballon d'Or, France football in 2006? Fabio Cannavaro, Thierry Henry, Zinedine Zidane. Correct answer, Fabio Cannavaro. Which team won 2 World Cups in a row, the second and third World Cup in history in 1934 and 1938? Correct answer, Italy. Which club has the second most wins in the Champions League, European Champions Cup of all time after Real Madrid? Milan, Barcelona, Bayern. Correct answer, Milan. How many times has Moscow's Torpedo won the USSR Championship? 3, 2, 1. Correct answer, 3. Which Dutch club last won the UEFA Cup? PSV, Ajax, Feyenoord. Correct answer, Feyenoord. Where was the European Championship in 2004? Correct answer, Portugal. How many matches were played at the 2018 World Cup in Russia? 68, 64, 62. Correct answer, 64. Which team did the Germans play most often in the World Cup finals? Italy, Argentina, Brazil. Correct answer, Argentina. With what score did the Dutch beat the Spanish at the 2014 World Cup? Correct answer, 5-1. Which goalkeeper is the only one in history to win the Golden Ball, France football? Lev Yashin, Peter Schmeichel, Gianluigi Buffon. Correct answer, Lev Yashin. Edson Arantes do Nascimento is the full name. Ronaldo, Zico, Peel. Correct answer, Peel. What country's championship does Cluj play in? Czech Republic, Poland, Romania. Correct answer, Romania. Which team has never been beaten by Brazil in history, with 2 draws and 2 losses? Sweden, Norway, Denmark. Correct answer, Norway. Which of these clubs has never won the Champions League, Cup Winners' Cup? Bruges, Aston Villa, Hamburg. Correct answer, Bruges. Which of these clubs has never won the Champions League Cup Winners' Cup? Roma, Nottingham Forest, Stowe. Correct answer, Rome. Why did an experiment to prove the superiority of bachelors over married men fail in Argentina? Correct answer, wives interrupted the match with a scandal and riot. Which team has never won the European Championship? Netherlands, Denmark, Yugoslavia. Correct answer, Yugoslavia. Which club has won the most championships in the English League in its history? Arsenal, Liverpool, Manchester United. Correct answer, Manchester United. Which club has won the UEFA Cup finals most often? Juventus, Sevilla, Liverpool. Correct answer, Sevilla. In which European Championship final was the total number of goals scored less than in the others presented? Correct answer, Germany vs Spain 2008. Who is the judge in front of you? Howard Webb, Panate Kakir, Nicola Rizzoli. Correct answer, Howard Webb. Who won the first World Cup in 1930? Uruguay, Argentina, Brazil. Correct answer, Uruguay. Name Valencia's home stadium. Mestalla, Ramerde, Onda Metropolitano. Correct answer, Mestalla. You did it, congratulations. Was it hard? Did you like the questions we picked out? Write about your results in the comments. Thank you for participating. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. There are many more interesting quizzes to come. Bye.